Yes, I hope you will be fine. In this video, we will discuss that how we quickly design our product page in Wix. And here you can see it is not designed properly. And here you also can see the logos color, white, red, and black. These colors we will mix our design. And in previous video, we have discussed that how we can add the wish list and the social icon in our product detail page where the user can share our product in their own social medias like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Pinterest. So the user can share our product in their own social medias. So in this video, we will discuss that how we can beautifully design our product detail page. So for this, you just require to click on setting option. And when you will click the setting option, you will see a lot of settings related to this shop product grid and product gallery. This galleries display the collection. So here you can see you can change whatever collection you want to show in this product gallery. And we have collect all product option and then the layout. You just require to click on layout. And here you can see the different layout options available, like how you want the picture to look. You can see the image ratio and then the product text alignment you can see here, and also the number of columns, the number of rows which you want to show, all the things available. So first we will pick the product display style, this one, and you will see here, yes, here you can see the style, product display style has been applied in our page, and you can see here the text and the price is in design. And after that, we will go to setting option. And under the setting, we want to show the button here like add to cart button. So for this, we will scroll it down and you can see here the show button. We will pick it option also. And then if you want to show the pagination, we are showing the load more button. If you want the pagination, you can select. And also if you want to infinite scroll, you can also select that one. And here you can see we have added add to cart button in our product, and also the color and uh, all the things just related to the logo of this website. And this is my online project, and I'm discussing things for you only, that how you can design your storage product. And then we will move to design option. And under the design option, you can see here, you can change the page background color. Let's suppose we apply this black. And here you can increase and decrease the opacity of this. Yes, you can see. And after that, the filter color will be the white. And the filter text color will be the black. It will be, and then the product background, this one. Here you can see, you can pick any color for the product background. And when you will increase its opacity, yes, we more increase the opacity because the font and the price is not more visible under this opacity. Then we also can change to other color if suitable. Yes, here you can see it's working now. It's visible for the user. So we have applied it. And then we will move to the filters. This will show the filters on your page. You also can select the collection under the filter option. And then the sorting option. We also want to open this option. And now you will see, you can see the page. Yes, it will be the look of our page now. And so the basic of this video was to inform you how you can modify the settings. And here, according to the color combinations, I applied the background color, and you also can apply any color which you want. And also other things you can easily manage under the setting option. So thank you, and I hope you got this video. And also, if you enjoyed, share it with your friends, and also subscribe our channel for future videos related to these website development in Wix, Shopify, WordPress, Space. And thank you, and best regards for you all. Thank you.